Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Everyworld token. Ticker symbol is Every. Now this token is getting at least two brand new central exchange listings on very big central exchanges. We're going to go over a couple different ways to get this token and the info on it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Everyworld, all one word, is the name of the token. Every is the ticker symbol. There's a max total supply of 10 billion Every tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. It is on the Ethereum blockchain, and you can find them on Etherscan. Now, it says 36 holders. It's not available on Uniswap yet, and it was just recently announced that this token will be listed April 5th, 10 a.m. UTC time, on gate.io, and it'll be also listed April 5th, 10 a.m. UTC time on Bybit, and maybe other exchanges as well, but those are two big ones. So you'll be able to get this token by downloading Bybit or Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or getting it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Every, and then simply just buy the token. If those exchanges are not available in your area, because not everybody could use the same exchanges, you will most likely, around the same time it gets listed on these exchanges, be able to get this token off of Uniswap as well by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, with ETH, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your ETH for this token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, everyworld.com. Now, you may have to set slippage. That's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. So it says, Everyworld is a rewarded ads protocol initially built on Discord, featuring nascent digital content, personalities, and technological applications. New products, especially those within the virtual world and gaming space, require creative user acquisition strategies to help build an initial user base. Consumers expect to be rewarded for engaging in content through social platforms. One of blockchain's greatest achievements has been in aligning the interests of various participants through transparency and ownership. The Every token is the native currency of Everyworld. Regularly scheduled on-chain drawings for participants in Everyworld incentivize user engagement through every token payouts. A decentralized ecosystem can develop to support and operate Everyworld. Younger generations consider saving the planet to be one of the most important issues of our time. The health of the planet is one of the most pressing and significant challenges of our time, critical not only to protecting the natural world, but also for ensuring a sustainable future for all species, including humans. A significant portion of each payout is donated to verified organizations focused on saving the planet. We believe we need an internet that can foster competition and mitigate dominance of large technology companies, unlock opportunities in the innovation economy, and enable people to take control of their digital information. So why Everyworld? It says Steam is one of the most widely used video game distribution platforms in the world and controls around 75% of the global video gaming market. So it says, Steam, like many other marketplaces and social networks, is a massive gatekeeper into the industry that it serves. Imagine the power of a network like Steam, but designed for this millennium, owned by the players and the content creators and governed by software, where every rule pertaining to content, engagement, and monetization is encoded in smart contracts, visible to all and immune to arbitrary change. We envision a not-so-distant future where transparent networks with distributed ownership flourish, and we believe that blockchain networks have the power to take us there. The vision is neither new nor uniquely ours. In fact, many attempts have been made to use blockchains. Unfortunately, nearly all have yielded unimpressive results. So Everyworld stands on the shoulders of its predecessor and builds upon their learnings by combining well-established principles with familiar technologies in an innovative way. Everyworld is designed to disrupt the most nefarious social networks of our time, for example, TikTok. So blockchains can unite diffuse communities through a common token and set of common objectives, a system of disrupted and decentralized ownerships. These economies can incentivize individuals to participate in social networks that lack developed networks effects or creators' economies, but blockchains alone are not enough to win at this uphill battle. To harness the strengths of blockchains while mitigating their known challenges, Everyworld's design incorporates 3 additional essential elements. Number 1, the psychological effect of gamification. Number 2, an open admission that humans are motivated primarily by personal gain. And number 3, a widely shared and non-controversial belief of saving the planet. Our vision embraces the principle of collective ownership, acknowledging the true decentralization is in the journey. So the Every token here is built on the Ethereum blockchain, has a total supply of 10 billion tokens. Core utility token, promoting content, drawing entries. This token is split up between investors, early contributors, team advisors, community airdrops, liquidity and exchanges, Everyworld development and rewards, and treasury. So they have a document section, docs.everyworld.com, where you could go over everything I said, but in more depth if you want to learn more about this project. You'll be able to get this token soon off of Bybit and Gate, starting tomorrow, April 5th. And then probably around the same time, it'll go over to Uniswap and maybe other central exchanges and maybe even decentralized exchanges as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.